Hi there. If you're an entrepreneur, the type of shoebox that I call, like the people that are gathering all their receipt all year long um, in a shoebox, and now they freak out because it's tax time and they need their tax done. So, um, if you're that type of person, you don't need a sophisticated software like QuickBooks or Sage 50 or any kind of software that are kind of hard to understand and figure out when you have so many things to do in your business. So that's why I build a bookkeeping system in Excel, because most of people know Excel and it's really easy. And I'm going to show you today how the system works quickly. And if you are interested, then you can get your own copy here in this page below. So here we go. Okay, so what is the spreadsheet is that you have a tab from January until December, and these tabs are all the same. It's all identical. So you have a place to put what you bought, from where you bought it. Example, you bought at Staples. Today was December 15, and you paid $105. And if you are in Canada and you collect GST, you put GST. If you don't care about this column. And it was office supplies. So office supplies is here on column 13. So you would put 13 here, and the system, boom, will put exactly the expense where it goes. So you just need to fill those information here, all your expenses, all your revenue for your business on each month. If it's January and you have some clients from your invoice, you have some other expense, and then February, March, and so on. And then this is all you have to do. And look at what it does for you. You have a total tab, and that's giving you the month to date, all your revenue in January total, all your expenses in January, and then the total. And then here, the difference between the two, that gives you your net profit or your loss. So you have, as a business owner, your month to date, as well as your year to date here. And for your accountant, you have this tab here, income statement, where you just need to put your business name. And then you just need to put the date of the year. So the year's 2022, January 1st to 2022, December 31st. And that's the year. And then everything is already populated there by you entering everything on these tabs. And then we have plan on everything that is business and personal at the same time. So your car, sometimes you use it personal and business. You have also like the internet, your cell phone, the home-based office expense. So we have plan on all that. So you put 100% of all these expenses, and here's the percentage for business. So your car, you have a mileage tab that here you'll put the odometer of your car at the beginning and the end. You'll track all your business mileage, and then at the end the system will show you what's the percentage of business use you had, 33%. So then you come here and you put your 33%. And same here for your home-based office expense. Depending on the superficie of the space, your square footage, as well as your home space, you'll get a percentage of use for business, and you will put that here. And this is the page you just need to print and give your accountant. And lastly, for people that have to track sales tax, here in Canada, it's called GST, HST. You might have other name and where you live, or you might not have to track it. So if you don't have to track it, that's perfect. But if you do have to track it, then here it's populating for you your GST report, to your sales tax report. And if you need to do it on a quarterly basis or a monthly basis or annual basis, then you have all you need. And here you have a little cheat sheet that explains to you what type of category you can use as expense and revenue. And I also added a little legend that explained to you, if you don't know what other supplies is, then you can read to see what it could be for you and so on. So that's my little system. It's all lock. So yeah, that if you use it in Excel, see, it's a formula, it's locked like this, so you cannot ruin the system. And if, of course, if you use it on Google Sheet, that's not going to carry over. It's a functionality of Excel, but it's going to be in red, and it's to warn you to be careful because these are formula. So if you are interested in getting this copy for you, all my clients that I have bought this spreadsheet are telling me afterwards that it's been time saver for them, money saver. Some people were using QuickBooks and paying over $25 a month for that. And this, you can buy one copy, a one-time payment, and it's yours forever. You just save it as a different year for the new year, and you start filling out your sheet. So hopefully you enjoyed, and then you can get that sheet here below. Thank you. Have a good day.